Hey there, thanks for watching this video. What I want to do for you in particular on this video is allow you to arrive to the same conclusion that we have on why pay-per-click is going to be a very, very viable solution for you, okay? And success typically leaves clues. So, as you can see, if you type in HVAC West Palm Beach, there's ads running at the top, all right? And if you scroll down to the bottom, there's ads running at the bottom. And if you go to the second page, there's still ads running at the top, okay? So success leaves clues. Look, there's more ads on the bottom, all the way on the second page. So typically, if there's a prolific paper trail, it means that a lot of your competitors have already caught wind to the fact that this is a very, very powerful channel on the first page of Google to leverage to get them to their goals as a business. Now, the next thing I want you to do is open up a tab and type in spyfu.com. And what this is going to allow you to do is turn the World Wide Web into the Wild Wild West, and you'll literally be able to break in to your competitors' campaigns and take a look at their campaign history, find out how much they're paying per click, what ads are performing well, and how much money they are spending. So as you can see, Astelac.com is generating 964 targeted clicks per month, and they're spending $3,000 per month, all right? And they've been spending that amount, $36,000 per year, for close to 10 years. So you have to ask yourself, if you spent close to $360,000 over the last decade, how much money would that mean for your business in net profit if you got a 3-4 times ROI on your initial investment of $360,000? Well, it would be enough for you to retire, right? And spend more time with your family and spend more time going on vacations and doing all the stuff that you want to do that you got in business for, because you didn't get into business to work in your business. You got into business to work on your business, and that's exactly what this demonstrates right here. Now, furthermore, we know exactly what they're spending per click. All right, they're spending anywhere from $1 per click to $28 per click for top keywords. And on our next video, we're going to show you how to get a 30 to 40% reduction in your pay-per-click costs so you don't have to get engaged in a bidding war, and how you can literally leverage your own competitors' top AdWords recommendations, okay, and pivot by using their own ads, okay, and then applying our unique one-to-one method that we're going to share with you. Let's do one more just to get an average of what the competition is spending here. And let's go to this veteran-owned air conditioning company that everyone knows about in West Palm and see how much they're spending. Because 9 out of 10 times you'll get data, and sometimes you won't if they're a very new campaign. As you can see, these guys are a little newer. They're a little younger. They've been spending about $1,000 a month for 439 clicks a month that they're receiving for about 4 years. And again, as you can see, they're spending anywhere from $26 to $35 per click, so they're spending a lot more than the other company is. All right, and they have an ad in the first position right now. Call us today, Semper Fi. So if you want to target the veteran base, we know exactly how to do it with a proven method right here, with 4 years of trials and tribulations that this competitor had to go through for us to benefit from day one. And this is the power of digital marketing as it relates to pay-per-click. So with that being said, I hope that this presentation has been nothing shy of educational and informative for you. And stay tuned for our next and final video where we reveal our one-to-one method on how you can get high-intent HVAC leads day one. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.